Today, I'll be presenting the item number 9 of part 1. We are given a function f of x equal to tangent h3x plus secant hx raised to 4. To find the derivative of tangent h3x, it involves the derivative of tangent h and also the inside part 3x. So, it becomes 3 secant h3x. And the derivative of secant hx raised to 4 is more complex because it's a function raised to a power. So, we use chain rule again. It involves multiplying by the derivative of secant x, which is related to negative secant hx tangent hx. In summary, we use chain rule and product rule to find the derivative of f of x equal to tangent h3x plus secant hx raised to 4. Finding the derivative and applying the chain rule and product formula, we found that f prime of x is equal to 3 secant h squared 3x minus 4x raised to 3 secant hx raised to 4 tangent hx raised to 4.